On behalf of the OHDSI Central Coordinating Center at Columbia University and the entire international OHDSI Open Science community, let me be the first to congratulate you on a richly deserved promotion to Professor and Chair of the Department of Medical Informatics. Erasmus is fortunate to have such a tremendous leader at their helm, and we in OHDSI appreciate your leadership in guiding our community's journey forward. Peter, you truly embody OHDSI's mission to improve health by empowering a community to collaboratively generate the evidence that promotes better health decisions and better care. I've been honored to be friends with the Erasmus Informatics chairs over the last 3.5 decades, and I am thrilled to see you take over the helm. Congratulations.
Hello, I'm Sarah Khalid from Oxford. On behalf of the entire health informatics team here, I'd like to congratulate Peter on this amazing latest achievement. Looking back over the last half decade or so, it has been a great journey of collaboration for health data science. So thank you for your contribution to the field, Peter, and I look forward to much more to come.
Peter, from the middle of the world, I would like to congratulate you for your achievement. Being the head of the department, being a professor, well deserved. I would like to thank you for all effort and work you have done for the community. We are lucky to have you as a person, a scientist and expert. Personally, I learned from you, not only from science, but from the personality as well. More to go. I'm sure that you will achieve more and more. We will meet and I'll congratulate you in person. Thank you so much, and all regard from here from Saudi Arabia, Samir.
Hi Peter, Sarah here. Just wanted to send a huge congratulations for your promotion to Professor and Department Chair at Erasmus. Absolutely amazing. It's truly well deserved, and I guess I'll just have to use this moment to come up with a bespoke painting to commemorate this maybe. Anyway, I look forward to celebrating this with you in person next month. Again, amazing, well done.
Dear Peter, congratulations on your promotion. I know that Erasmus Medical Center is in good hands with you and its leadership, but I also know that Eden, OHDSI in Europe, and Darwin EU are and will continue to be great successes with you at the helm. Cheers.
Hi, this is Chan from Korea. I'm so delighted to have this opportunity to send my congratulations and well wishes to my dear friend and colleague Peter Rijnbeek on his recent promotion to full professor and department chair at Erasmus MC. Peter, please accept my warmest congratulations on your well-deserved promotion. We are so proud to call you our colleagues and friends. Thanks.
Congratulations on your professorship. That's really fantastic news and well-deserved. And all the best for your future career. It's been fantastic working with you through OHDSI and OMOP, and I'm looking forward to all the cool things that we're going to build together in the future. All the best.
Hello, just wanted to say massive congratulations, and I'm really excited to hear all about what happens today for you. You've always been a really big inspiration to me ever since I started on my OHDSI journey, and I look forward to working more with you in future in your exciting new role, and to have a beer with you in future to celebrate.
It is an absolute honor to congratulate you on being the department chair. I can't believe it's been almost 5-6 years since we last met in person. I still remember your trips to Stanford in 2017 and 18, and you're most welcome to come back anytime. And I wish that we could be there in person to celebrate your achievement. You've done some amazing work establishing Eden, and I hope that now that you're chair, you'll visit us more often, or better still, ask us to come visit you at your fabulous place, and hopefully in the summer.
Hi, Peter. Congratulations again on this amazing accomplishment. Your leadership within the community, Eden, and also Darwin has been truly exemplary. Can't wait to see what this new chapter will bring. Wishing you best of luck.
Hey, Peter. Congratulations on becoming a full professor. I think it is a very well-deserved acknowledgement for all that you've been doing, helping people around the world through the OHDSI and the Eden communities, and creating a future for healthcare data for everybody. I hope that this promotion will create you even greater opportunities to keep going on your path. Best of luck, count with us from Portugal, and take care.
Peter, I thought this would be the right backdrop to thank you for everything you've done for the OHDSI community, including arranging a boat in July, which is what I'm thinking about right now, and to offer you a big congratulations on a really well-deserved achievement. I look forward to benefiting from your leadership in OHDSI in the years to come.
Peter, I am absolutely delighted to extend my warmest congratulations on your well-deserved promotion to full professor and department chair at Erasmus MC. I have no doubt that you will continue to shine in your new role, and I'm excited to see what you're going to accomplish in the future. Best wishes and congratulations once again.
Even though I'll be there in person, I'd also like to take this opportunity to congratulate you. We worked together for a long time. I still remember your PhD defense and its party. And well, I'm sure you'll be doing a great job as a professor. But don't forget to also make some time for music in your life. So congratulations.
Hey Peter, congratulations from your friends here at Odyssey.
Hi Peter, congratulations on your promotion and your appointment to department chair. I'm very grateful to be working with you in the Darwin project and really look forward to great collaboration in the future. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Peter. Very well-deserved appointment. I'm sure you will drive both the department and Darwin like nobody else. And I'm looking forward to our future collaboration.
Hi, Peter. Greetings from Northeastern University. Heartiest congratulations on your promotion. Absolutely delighted to hear it. And I look forward to, the folks, the team at the Odyssey Centre here look forward to ongoing and wonderful collaborations with Eden. All the best.
Hey, Peter. Congratulations on your amazing accomplishment, becoming a full professor and department chair at Erasmus Medical Center. Your work on PLP has been truly inspiring, and we are so grateful for your leadership in the Odyssey community, as well as the Eden and Darwin project. You are making a huge impact in the Odyssey community. Good luck to you and your family.
G'day Peter, congratulations on your wonderful achievement. It's been great working with you and the whole Odyssey community, and I really look forward to our next data adventure. And of course I've been practicing my karaoke in anticipation of the next APAC symposium in Korea. Congratulations again and have a wonderful night.
Peter, allow me to send congratulations from windy Berlin. It's exciting to watch you making this next step. All the best and success for what's to come.
Congratulations, Peter. You are quite amazing. It is very exciting news, not only for you, but for all of the communities that you have such an enormous impact on. So I can't wait to see what's going to come from it. Cheers.
My pleasure to count you as a dear colleague now since our EMIF days, and to see the superlative progress in your career. You're remarkable for all that you accomplished at Erasmus, Odyssey Europe and Global, and to see that recognised with a full professorship, department chair and directorship of the Darwin EU Coordinator Centre in such a short time, well, I can't think of anyone more deserving. You've taught me much too, and you're well on your way to changing the European and international data landscape for the better, teaching many more colleagues along the way. Congratulations.
Hi, Peter. I want to say congratulations on your promotion. Sorry I couldn't make it there in person, but I want to say it's great to see how someone like you has been recognized for the outstanding work you've done, not only through the leadership in Odyssey, but also Eden and now Darwin. I want to say it's been a fun journey being on this journey with you, and I'm really excited for what the future is going to bring. Again, congratulations.
Peter, congratulations on your promotion and new role as chair. Thank you for all that you have done and continue to do for Odyssey and Eden and Erasmus, and best wishes on your work in the future.
Congratulations, Peter. I'm so happy for you. This is such a wonderful accomplishment, and I'm just so grateful for you and everything you've done for me, and just how you're just such a wonderful mentor to learn from and to work with.
Hi, Peter. Congratulations on your well-deserved new position. As you know, at Bordeaux University, we love to collaborate with whoever has great ideas, and I know you have many. So I wish you all the best in this new journey, full of great projects.
Hi, Peter. This is Changsu from Korea. First of all, congratulations on becoming a full professor at Erasmus MC. And we are always inspired by your passion for improving patients' health using healthcare data. Let's continue to build healthier world together.
Bravo, Peter. I'm thrilled for you. My warmest congratulations to you. But I knew it when we met 10 years ago in our first collaboration. Come on.
Hello, Peter. Congratulations on your new appointment. And I'm very much looking forward to continue to working with you. All the best.
Congratulations on your well-deserved promotion. And I wanted to thank you for all of your contributions to our Odyssey community and to the field of biomedical informatics. Looking forward to collaborating with you on your next project.
Well done. A truly remarkable achievement. Congratulations, and I'm looking forward to working with you for many more years to come. See you soon.
Most sincere congratulations for your new and well-deserved role. You have been key in helping the community to develop, and we look forward for you to continue helping the community to grow in your new role. Well done, and see you in July. Bye.
A massive congratulations. I wish you all the best for your future career.
Congratulations, Peter. On behalf of the Odyssey Center at Northeastern's Roux Institute, we are so thrilled about your next chapter. Way to go!
Hey Peter, warmest congratulations from Sweden and the Uppsala Monitoring Center. Sorry I couldn't be there to celebrate today. I think the appointment is well deserved. It's been a pleasure to work under your leadership in Eden, and we continue to look forward to that collaboration. Best wishes from here.
A hearty congratulations, Peter, from James Wiggins at Amazon Web Services. And I just wanted to let you know how much I've appreciated our ability to collaborate over the years on Eden and the Eden Academy, and just the amazing work that you've done expanding the Odyssey community in Europe and really across the world. So looking forward to seeing what the future holds for you and your team at Erasmus, Peter. Well deserved.
I cannot imagine of an individual having stronger impact on health data science or health data standardization than you, Peter, at least not in Europe. Congratulations on the new role, a well-deserved development indeed. Continue setting new heights for precision medicine and continue inspiring us all. Bye from Denmark.
Congratulations, Peter. It's been an amazing job that you've done since you started the journey. I still remember when we met at Stanford a few years back when you were just starting, and it's just impressive all the amount of work that you've been able to do over all these years, and very excited where you're going to take Odyssey and Eden. So great job. Congratulations and best wishes in the future.
Congratulations on your promotion. I'm so thrilled. It has been a pleasure working with you in Odyssey all these years, and I wish you best of wishes going forward in your new role.
Huge congratulations on your promotion to full professor and department chair. This accomplishment is the strongest possible testament to your dedicated leadership building a world where science, technology, and importantly, compassion combine to produce a comprehensive understanding of health and disease. I've learned so much in our many collaborations and aspire that my own professional development should include the qualities of your successes. It's a bright future to continue working with you. All the best.
Peter, congratulations on a well-deserved promotion, and thank you for all of your leadership, mentorship, and collaboration. I look forward to what lies ahead.
Hi, Peter. This is Yongchen from the University of Pennsylvania. Congratulations again for being promoted to full professor and department chair. This is richly deserved. Thank you for all your leadership in building the community for European Odyssey and the Darwin Network. I very much look forward to collaborating with you in the years to come.
Congratulations, Peter. You're a great colleague and mentor, and it's always been enjoyable to work with you, which is why we have so many papers together, and I'm sure we'll have it even more in the future. Looking forward to celebrating your professorship in person this summer.
Peter, please let me congratulate you from afar on your promotion to Professor of Medical Informatics. You and your boundless work stand as true inspiration both to me and, more importantly, to our junior colleagues whose career you are so skillfully nurturing. Well done and congratulations.
Peter, as you can see, you're making a profound impact, not just at Erasmus MC or in the Netherlands, but across Europe, the Middle East, North America, and the Asia Pacific regions, not just in the academic arena, but also in industry and government, and most importantly, to the patients we all aim to serve. As we celebrate this milestone, it's good to reflect on all the progress you've made in expanding the adoption of open community data standards internationally, in the development of open source software for advanced analytics, in leading methodologic research to establish best practices for machine learning in healthcare, and in generating reliable real-world evidence to support public health and clinical decision-making. But it's also a good chance to look forward to the journey ahead. From all of us at Odyssey, congratulations and thank you, and we look forward to joining you on the journey. Cheers. How does a Dutchman, singer, electrical engineer, computer scientist with nothing to fear,
go from studying ECGs in pediatrics to being the topic of a song from Patrick? The Eden PEI and founding father got a lot farther by working a lot harder, by being a lot smarter, by being a self-starter by 4T. They placed him in charge of Jerboa. And every day while PhD students were working away to publish papers to try to make Peter happy, inside he was longing for something to be a part of. The brother was ready to beg, steal, borrow, or barter. Then a community came. Open science reigned. Our man saw his future and all that could be gained. Put his fingers to a keyboard, connected it to his brain, and he wrote a pull request, POP, under his name. Well, the word got around. They said, this kid is insane, man. Took a leading odyssey across the EU mainland. Keep on educating. Don't forget for whence you came, and the world's gonna know his name. What's his name, man? Peter Rijnbeek. His name is Peter Rijnbeek. And there's a million things he hasn't done. Just you wait. Just you wait. When he was lying in the whiz, no one could sing better. But Peter wasn't satisfied. He was a go-getter. Did his research in the morning. Performed all night long. Writing algorithms in the daytime before he'd sing a song. Who else do you know is an engineer who is also a professional trio with Kim De Beer? He was headlining shows while leading the Wild Hearts, showing it's possible to mix the sciences and the arts. There would be nothing left to do for someone less astute. He could have been stocked at 100 pubs or 4,000 citations. Instead, he worked harder. Starter of the largest data collaboration. Eden pulled in 29 European nations. Darwin providing surveillance EMA depends on. Planning for the future. See him now as he stands on the bow of this ship, standing as a new man. At Erasmus, he can have new plans. In Eden, he will cover more lands. In Darwin, he will make new fans. In Odyssey, he can expand lifespans with science. Just you wait, Peter Rijnbeek. We are waiting to support you. You never back down, you never learn to take your time. Oh, Peter Rijnbeek. When Odyssey sings for you, you'll know we all know what you gave. And we know you rewrote the game. The world will never be the same. This ship is in the harbor now. See if you can spot him. A new department chair coming up from the bottom. He started on a journey and lots of people want him. We work with him. We learn from him. We trust him. We love him. And we are celebrating promoting him. There's a million things he hasn't done. Just you wait. What's his name, man? Peter Rijnbeek.